Welcome to training for vendors on NxtEdge by NxtEdge. This video is designed for vendors to explain how our software works. Many times we get questions from the vendors on how the system works. Let's start with how order guides get in our system. Every vendor is defined to how we receive the order guide. It can be EDI integration, using the online portal for the client, or emailed order guide. It must be one of these options in order for us to update pricing. So if we are receiving your order guide via online and then you email in an order guide, it will not come in automatically but can be imported with an email to support@diningedge.com. The order guide must include product code, description, pack and size and price. It must be in a readable format. Keep in mind that the product code should match the invoice product code if the customer is using our invoice automation tool. To email in the order guide, please ask the customer for their location-specific email address. Once the vendor is defined, we will receive the order guide and update the customer's pricing. Remember, products need to be in the order guide for us to see it in the system. Next, we will talk about discontinued items. If a product code is no longer in the order guide, the software will look at it as discontinued, and it will turn it pink in our software. At any point, you can request a list of items we see as discontinued and you can send us the replacement item number. We would be happy to swap it out with the client approval. Next, we have missing items. Missing items are products that the customer has not selected. They may be in your order guide and the client has not selected them. If a product is in your order guide, the customer has to select it in order to see it. At any point, you can request a list of items we see as missing and the client can approve us to add your missing items. Last point is invoices. Not all of our clients use our solution for invoice automation and inventory, but if they do, we will need the invoices to be sent in via email, EDI, or the customer can scan them in. If you can auto-email your invoices, please send them to the email address your client has supplied. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about NxtEdge by NxtEdge. Feel free to call or email us with any questions.